Shown here is a typical earthen berm containment pit, excavated to a specific depth which is based on design requirements that can differ from project to project. Once the containment is excavated, the base layer of sand is spread across the containment floor area, creating a level bedding surface for the system. Impermeable liner is then placed around the containment perimeter, as well as the transformer pad, using strapping and anchors to properly secure it and hold it in place. Next, smart fabric, or oil mat, is laid out across the bottom of the containment area and secured to the impermeable liner using a specialized sealant adhesive. The excess impermeable liner both around the transformer pad and the containment perimeter is now lowered on top of the smart fabric and sealed using the same sealant adhesive. Once this step is completed, the containment is now bonded and ready to accept the remaining layers. Special geo-textile SAM, also known as the absorbent layer, is now installed throughout the containment area. SAM is a unique geotextile loaded with a proprietary blend of polymer. It has an exceptional absorption capability per square inch, and it serves to extend service life of the containment by protecting the oil mat from small accidental leaks. SAM can be removed and replaced if required. A 2-inch layer of sand, which will act as a cooling and filtration layer, is now placed on top of the SAM geotextile, spread across the containment floor area, and leveled. Non-woven is laid out and will act as a separation layer, followed by the woven geotextile, which is used to move the liquid laterally throughout the containment. The system is filled with fire-quenching stone, which limits and prevents the spread of fire. Finally, the containment is topped and leveled off with substation cover stone to the designated design height. Now let's demonstrate the free-draining capability of this system and how it reacts in a typical rainfall event. Unlike the conventional concrete containment, which requires a pumping system to dismiss accumulated water along with an oil-water separator, the SorbNSeal system is nearly zero maintenance. The system and its layers are designed to allow water to move freely through its smart barrier without accumulating and pass all the way through the system and back into the native ground. Now watch as this revolutionary multi-layer system of interlocking geotextiles transforms into a rubber seal when exposed to hydrocarbons. In the event of a catastrophic failure, which could lead to an oil spill, the SorbNSeal system and its SAM layer absorb the spilled oil, while the oil mat congeals and seals the containment, preventing any oil from passing through.